Hello everyone! Today is July 20, 2013. Today is Chico's 29th birthday. And because it's his birthday, we're going to sing to you a very special song. A song that I personally composed. Because I love my brother here. And this is Nico. He's playing the bass. Of course, we have RP. And we have Chico who will be playing the guitar. So I hope you like this song, everyone. Happy birthday, Chico!
2, 3, and
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Come on, bro. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time, come on. Happy birthday to you. Oh yeah. Happy birthday to you. Come on, Chico. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yeah! Happy birthday, Chico!
thanks, bro.
Yes, it's Chico's birthday. Chico, God bless your love life.
Your love life too, bro.
Nico also, and
Nice,
RP.
nice.
And yeah. This guy single. Oh yeah. And ladies, you are worth waiting for. God bless you all!